Hello and welcome to our channel. Today's news is about the International Criminal Court issuing an arrest warrant against Russian President Vladimir Putin for war crimes committed during the invasion of Ukraine, including the illegal deportation of children. We hope you find our content informative and valuable. Don't forget to like, follow, and share our channel, as your presence and feedback are essential to us. If you have any suggestions to improve our content, please let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Let's get to the news. The International Criminal Court, ICC, has issued an arrest warrant against Russian President Vladimir Putin. The court alleges he is responsible for war crimes, including the illegal deportation of children from Ukraine to Russia. He says the crimes were committed in Ukraine from at least February 24, 2022, when Russia launched its full-scale invasion. Moscow has denied allegations of war crimes during the invasion. The ICC has accused Putin of being involved in the deportation of children and says it has reasonable grounds to believe he directly committed the acts, as well as working with others. The court also said the Russian leader had failed to exercise his rights to detain others who had deported children. Russian Commissioner for Children's Rights Maria Lvova-Belova is also wanted by the ICC. A Russian Foreign Ministry spokesman said the arrest warrants are meaningless. The decisions of the International Criminal Court are meaningless for our country, including from a legal point of view, said Maria Zakharova on Thursday, when news of the issued warrants broke. That's because, despite the warrants, the ICC has no powers to arrest suspects, and can only exercise jurisdiction in countries that signed the agreement that created the court. Lvova-Belova, accused of leading the child transfer program, defended her conduct. What I want to say, first of all, it's great that the international community has appreciated the work of helping the children of our country, that we don't leave them in the war zone, that we get them out, that we create good conditions for them, surround them. Those of loving and caring people, she said. An accusation against Putin would make the president of Russia international fugitive. It's not easy for a head of state to fear arrest when he sets foot in a European or North American country, said Judge Richard Goldstone, chief prosecutor of war crimes committed in Bosnia in the 1990s. A February report by the Humanitarian Research Laboratory at the Yale School of Public Health, sponsored by the U.S. State Department, concluded that all levels of government in Russia are involved in the transfer of children from Ukraine. The main purpose of the camps appears to be political re-education, he said, but added that children in several of the camps were later placed in Russian foster families or some form of foster care. In addition to the aforementioned crimes, surveys carried out by a UN commission in 2022 point to evidence of several other crimes committed by Russian representatives. They found evidence of a large number of executions, including bodies with their hands tied, throats slit, and shots to the head. Investigators identified victims of sexual violence aged between 4 and 82 years. Well, those were today's updates. We would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on these events. Do you agree with the conclusion of the ICC? Do you believe that Putin can really be arrested? Please leave your comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for being with us today. See you soon.